In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a download link in WordPress. Download links can be used to share templates, forms, or any type of file that users need to download and use. In order to create a download link, all you need to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Pages, and click on All Pages. Now, I'm creating a new page. You can follow the process for existing pages as well. Let's give this page a name here. To create a download link, in your block editor, click on the plus sign here to add a block. Search for the file block, and now select the file block. Here you can upload or select the file from the media library that needs to be downloaded. I'll select the file from the media library I've already added. You can see this file preview here. You can turn off the file preview by toggling off the switch here beside Show Inline Embed. You can change this text over here. Once done, simply click on the Publish button. And now let's view the page from the front. You can see this is how the download link in WordPress works. And this is another way to create a download link in WordPress, though. For that, let's move back. Go to Media, and then click on Library. Simply upload the file over here. I've already uploaded it. And once you're done, click on the file to open it. You can see the file URL here. Simply click on Copy URL to Clipboard. And once you're done, let's move back to Pages and go to All Pages. I'm going to edit the existing page here. You can add a new page as per your need. Now here, simply add the paragraph block and enter the text for the download link. Let's select the text and click on the link icon over here. Paste the file URL we copied earlier, and once done, click Enter. It's now time to update the page. Once updated, let's view the page from the front end. On clicking the link over here, you can see the file has been opened here. This is how easy it is to create a download link in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.